Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning how to make drawings using code. But before we start, make sure to like, share and subscribe my video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started. So guys, to write our programs and create our pictures, animations, drawings, we're gonna use this online editor. The link is down below in the description for this editor. We will learn how to make shapes for this lesson. Let's start by making the basic shapes. Let's do a circle, a rectangle, and a triangle. To write a command, you should always follow it with parentheses and a semicolon, like this. And inside the parentheses, there are four main letters: X, Y, W, and H. You might be wondering what these letters are. Don't worry, that's what I'm here for. The X, it controls where the shape should be, to the left or to the right. The Y controls the position, either it should be on the top or on the bottom. The W controls the width, which means how wide it should be or how skinny it should be. And finally, the H. It controls the height, how tall it should be or how short it should be. For a circle, we have to use the function called ellipse. Now, let's write the numbers instead of the X. We're going to write 250. For Y, we're going to write 200. For W, we're going to write 150. And for H, we're going to write 150. Let's run the code. There's a run code button on the bottom of the screen. Run code. There you go. The circle is ready. Nice and perfect. Now, let's move on to the rectangle. For a rectangle, we have to use the function called rect. And the perimeters for a rectangle don't work the same way as the ellipse. Actually, the X and Y for the rectangle control the upper left corner of the rectangle, not the center. So let's continue. Write the command in this editor. This is how it should look like. We're going to follow it with parentheses and a semicolon. The X should be 125. The Y should be 23. The W should be 150. And the height should be 200. Let's check it out. There you go. A rectangle is ready. So guys, I made a triangle and now I will be explaining what the perimeters mean. X1 and Y1 control this part of the triangle. That's Y1 and this is X1. And X2 and Y2 control this part of the triangle. Y2, X2. Finally, X3 and Y3 control this part of the triangle. X3, Y3. Bye guys, see you next time.